Pojawią się tutaj Monika Wójcik w roli moderatora, Anton, Khvastunov i Rafał, Osciak, ale najpierw film. Proszę bardzo.
TMF Group exists to make a complex world simple for our clients. We do some of their most important administration in some of their most critical locations, really covering three areas: legal, financial, and employee. And we recognize three things that really matter to them in getting that administration right. The first is they look for a reliable partner to get things done correctly on time. And that reliability is really key to how we operate at TMF. The second is they're looking for a global solution quite often. They're multinationals, they don't know where their business will take them, where they're investing, where they're operating. We're in 85 jurisdictions covering 92% of world GDP, 95% of net FDI inflow, so we can go wherever our clients need us to be. And the third is they face a myriad of rules and regulations with increasingly severe consequences. So we know that we have to be a governance partner to our clients and help give them further reassurance that they're on the right side of those rules.
Dziękujemy serdecznie za film. Zapraszam kolejnych panelistów i od razu oddaję Państwu scenę i głos.
Raz, dwa, trzy. Działa wszystko. Nic nie muszę włączyć. Hello everyone. This particular discussion will be held in English. So if you have a chance to get your headset, just in case, please do now. There is a headset outside next to the door. Hello Anton, we have you. We see you. Everyone sees you.
Right now?
Can you say hello once again?
Hello, hello. Can you hear me?
We can hear you now perfectly. Great.
Yeah, great.
This discussion will be about not obvious startup, but rather about a scale-up, and this time not from Poland, but from Ukraine. Anton, I know that you were supposed to sit here with us, but 2 days ago I got information that Anton will not leave Ukraine. Anton, could you tell us why?
Hi everyone. Greetings from Kiev. Hi Monika.
Hi.
And hello to everyone. And firstly, thank you Monika for the invitation. And it's great to be with such a smart and pleasant audience. Like all startup owners and co-founders, I'm an entrepreneur. And I have been working with technology in different IT fields for the last 70 years of my life. Like from 2005, 2006, you remember the pagers seemed to be the top of the technology. And I'm not sure that everyone from the audience here saw them. So we opened our startup in 2016. And this startup was not the first, but the most successful, as you can see. And now we are on the stage, actually Rafal, on the stage with you offline, and I'm unfortunately on the screen. And I should be in Ukraine today for the managing of new strategic projects. And as our President Vladimir Zelensky says, the president is here, the team is here, everyone is here in Ukraine. So I will make a live connection with Carpathian startup first today from the Kiev.
Yeah, so thank you, Anton. Anton Khvastunov is one of the partners and co-founders of GigaCloud, the Ukrainian company who is now the leader in its sector. And here with me, physically, on the stage, Rafał Osciak, the general manager for Poland. Before I ask some questions regarding Poland and development in Poland, Anton, how did you become a leader in Ukraine? Could you tell us a short story about your success?
Okay, I will try. So our company is an architect of cloud solutions. And we provide businesses with virtualized infrastructure for processes, for projects, and scaling. So from zero to hero, we start to be a champ on the market in Ukraine, and we have 7 years of experience. Over the years, we have helped almost 2,000 clients carry out digital transformation. So right now we have a huge network of partners, which consists of over 700 partners. We have a great business community around us. More than 25 million people use services based on our infrastructure. For example, DIA, it's Ukrainian e-government service. It seems like, for me, it seems like people all over the world know it by now. This project became the basis of digitalization of Ukraine, and we became the foundation for it. So we built a fail-safe, fast solution based on private cloud. And we don't just sell services to our clients. We involve ourselves in understanding their pain points and look for solution for each case. For that reason, we are constantly transforming our business from the usual provision of cloud service to managed service providing. Mm-hmm. And you may be asking me, what does it mean for us? We have a separate department of client happiness and TAM departments. This is technical account management team that personally advise our clients on tech questions and deliver solutions for each task.
But what makes you so different to the
just
companies?
One more word. So we are like waiters of cloud services. Each of us, when we come to a restaurant, would like to get attentive and fast service. And it would be even better if their waiter offered you exactly what you want to try, as if reading your soul. So this is the kind of service our team is building. So I'm finished.
Thank you. Thank you. We have also Rafal. We know that you are the leader in Ukraine, and we know that you would like to expand in Europe. Rafal, as a general manager, could you say a few more words about your role, or one more question? Why did you get into cooperation with the Ukrainian capital, for instance, right? Because there are some questions like I'm receiving frequently.
Yeah, it's hard to find the words right now to tell you why Anton is on the screen, because as we know, the situation, political situation in Ukraine is really not that good. And Anton today is in Kiev, and Kiev was under the bombs today. And for me, from my perspective, it's really amazing that GigaCloud running the business in this condition in the Ukraine. Just wanted to mention it. It's amazing that Ukrainian company make business running in Ukraine. Back to my question. For me, from my perspective, cloud is a natural way to transform the digital and the IT market to the cloud. I work with companies from the 24 years now, and I see this trend is going to the cloud. So natural way for me and for clients is move to the cloud. And GigaCloud has all of this experience, teams, clients, that is natural to come to Poland and be in Poland present and make a business in Poland. And what convinced me that the GigaCloud worked with Poland for 7 years. Nobody knows that. Some information, of course, is not that official and not for the public, but GigaCloud cooperated in the Polish market for years.
Yeah, this is amazing that GigaCloud every year grow over 30%. That's amazing.
Yes.
This is not the case that you are leaving Ukraine because of the situation, but you just...
Yeah, that was like I understand and I see the GigaCloud in Ukraine. There was natural way to expand to another country, to move to the Poland, to move to the Europe, and for our market and the CE markets in Europe is, I can say, 4 steps back, like the Ukraine market. They really got bigger place on the market than even the Polish companies in Poland. So it's natural way to expand. And it's not, I think even the war was not started what I wished, but they will become here otherwise.
When we think about Ukraine, we know that you had to, you have a success story, but you couldn't omit the situation and this difficult situation, I mean, namely war. How did you keep the business continuity while it all started? Anton, I cannot hear you now.
Very nice question, Monika. So it's my switch to remove the microphone. So a lot can be said about the war, and actually I would like to say nothing about war. I would like to peace for all the world. But a lot can be said about the war, how it affected people, business, the country, and so on. But the main three things I want to tell you are those. The first, of course, war affected the economy and the business environment, marketing, the culture of interaction with partners and with team, the entire context of doing business. The full effect of the impact is yet to come because business will have to deal with the consequences of the war, both economic and social. But main idea for us that we keep running our business not only for money or clients, but also for our country. The second thing for me very necessary, and your question about it, we knew how to survive because we had a BCP, Business Continuity Plan. We constantly modified and implemented it. And unfortunately, we have a unique experience not only to have it on a page and on the papers, but also to see how it works in real life. We start to relocate it. A lot of times we relocated our people, our teams from Kiev to Lviv, from Lviv to Warsaw, and so on. Migrating customer data, protecting against cyber attacks, and all these things at the same time. And thirdly, people and the team are matter, really are matter. We are a company that doesn't have the possibility to downtime because of the SLA, of the service level agreement. Our team is trained to solve any problem quickly and professionally, but no one was ready to run work to the sound of sirens. However, our team managed to do it as well. It definitely means that the most valuable resource that every project or startup has is our people. To sum up, now when you choose a partner or an investor, for me and like from my side, you need to think about any scenarios in advance, even if they may never happen.
I understand. Thank you. That's very professional that you had a BCP plan. Good to hear that. That also proves a lot. Can we expect that throughout your path to success, did you have any difficult moments? Let's leave war alone. But as an entrepreneur, as a business strategist, did you have any difficult moments in your business that you can share? Any lessons you learned throughout these 7 years, and now you think that, yeah, now we are smarter because of that? We had some problems, some critical moments. Any of that kind of aside stories?
Yeah, actually, I think that all business have such stories, and we are in the line of this. So we have such stories. Actually, I remember the biggest for me, from my mind. In 2018, in the second year of the company, we had a real critical incident. It was not our service that stopped working, but our partners. And our customers were really affected. For almost a day and a half night, customers did not have access to their services via the internet. Even so, the cloud infrastructure was available and there was no degradation of cloud services. It was a real fuck-up night for us. We decided to be transparent and honest about it. We have outlined all next steps to recover from this disaster, including re-engineering processes and network infrastructure, and have shared this plan, all this plan we shared with our customer. And we communicated with our clients throughout the process of reconstruction of the services until we solved all these problems of downtime. So it was like 2 or 3 months we are being process of communicated with all clients, 1,000 clients. So a tip for all of us, it is very important to be honest and keep your promise that you will change. It actually works in all parts of your life, of our life. When we talk to the kids, when we talk with our parents, partners, clients, and even ourselves.
That's a lesson for you. But I think that you
big lesson for
that was a big lesson for you. But it proved your professionalism and client-centric approach as well. So
yeah, I think so. Yeah.
No clients left?
Yeah, actually, we left only 2 clients from the 1,000 of clients in the whole list. So it's true that 2 from them we check before this. We check all this stuff once again. We talk with them, but 2 clients leave, but 1,000 clients stay with us, and this is very amazing.
Nice. Rafał, GigaCloud, and now you are the part of it, and you are building the history of expansion. So are you ready?
Of course, always ready.
Rafał, what about your plan?
What about what, sorry? Plan?
About your plan, yeah.
What is
My
your plan
plan?
for expansion?
Yeah,
Because
my plan.
we already know that there is an office in Poland, right? But we know also that you have more plans, and Poland could be a significant point on the road to your further expansion.
My plan, the personal plan, is like to have such conferences into maybe 2 next years for my clients here in Jesionka.
Nice.
It will be great. Yeah, so that's the show how we grow in Poland. So for sure we want to grow in Poland. Now we are building the team, all the organization in Poland, like sales, pre-sales, technical. Of course, we're using the background from the Ukraine, but we need to have a Polish team here on site in Warsaw, basically in Warsaw. Need to convince our clients, future clients, to us to build a trend, to build a GigaCloud trend in Poland on market, of course, and convince clients that it's funny because people in Poland, the large accounts, the customers in Poland think about the security, thinking about the connection, thinking about the...
Probably first questions,
this is
right?
the first question. First question is about where do you keep the data? That's the first question. Okay, they are from Ukraine, but where do they keep the data? In Ukraine?
Yeah.
That is a question from the Polish. Of course not. They're keeping data, our clients' data in Europe, in Poland, so they are safe. If the clients ask about the connection, security, cybersecurity, etc., they've got huge experience in this situation. So my goal right now is to build develop the business in Poland, convince the clients to use our solutions. We know where we are strong, what the points, what we can bring to the market. We're going to focus on it, and we will see what happened. The future and the information about the clients. They cooperate with PZU. The PZU is client of the GigaCloud in Ukraine. They decide to keep the data on GigaCloud. That's amazing. That's a huge references to Polish market.
Of course, of course. You have the idea of expansion, so you have the plan. Where do you see GigaCloud in 3-5 years from now?
I hope we open the site in Romania and in other countries. I think if you ask me about Poland, like I said, I would like to have a lot of clients and to build the trust in Poland. If you ask me about the future, about the Europe, we're thinking about to build on our own data center in Europe. It's just for information to client that we are strong, this position is strong, we are stable. That is a question, of course, to Anton. The second thing is that we will see how the business grow in Poland, how we set up the processes, and then we can expand to another countries. That Poland is natural way to grow for Ukraine. But
where do you see Ukrainian capital in this cloud service system in Europe? Because you have the comparison, you have all the investigations and research and so on. What is the place of the Ukrainian cloud service provider in the context of the providers in Europe or even, you know, global? We know global biggest providers, but let's think about where would be your place in Europe?
Okay.
I can answer a little bit from my side. Thank you for this part of question. First of all, we want to find our identity in the European market. Exactly, that we start from Poland, and it's nature for us because we are so close to you, and we are so long time in Poland with our Ukrainian part of clients. Like 4 years ago, we started to provide the services from your country, from your data centers, with our identity. We have Ukrainian roots, but our corporate culture and values are European. An important step for us is a smart partnership. We would like to find a partner with investors from the West, from the Poland, from the different countries, from Europe, who will give us a loan of trust in the new markets of Europe. They will help to reach customers who need a fairly safe solution and ready for a new approach in a building cloud infrastructure as soon as possible. And also we want to occupy the niche like provider of private cloud solutions. It's our big opportunity and approach. We have a good expertise in this, and we're ready to implement custom projects of any complexity in accordance with the law and business challenges. We see that the niche for us is a blue ocean.
We are running out of time.
And the red ocean of public cloud.
Thank you. We are running out of time. One last thing.
Last sentence. I just want to say that we see it's a lot of space for us in Poland. We see how the huge, large accounts customers looking for the solution like infrastructure as a service, and we know exactly where we go, what we want to do in Poland. So that's we have the plans.
Strategy is one thing, money is second thing.
Yeah.
I think that we can help you with that. TMF expands and scales up businesses around the world, so fingers crossed for you, and hopefully you will be the part of our story as well. Thank you, Anton.
Thank you very much,
Lovely to
Monika.
have you here.
You.
Next time you will be here with us physically.
Thank you.
Absolutely. I will do. Thank you.